Make this a little bolder. This is the weirdest thing, these variable fonts. So weird. So freaking weird. I don't know if Adobe created this or what, but Adobe has a feature now where instead of choosing light or black or bold or anything, there's actually a slider, which is kind of how it works in CSS, right? You type in a font weight, and if you're using a decent font, you're going to be using these numbers, which indicate the thickness of the letter forms. But here you just have a dial. So that's kind of an interesting thing that we could probably see coming up on the web, is that if people actually take to this, you could dial a font's boldness or lightness in just by the numbers instead of using steps. Because it used to be steps. It used to be like, I want that one or that one. And there was no in-betweens. That's kind of neat. Let's get a font first. Google Fonts, I guess. Ah, look at this. They got the variable fonts. Wow. So that was the thing we saw in Illustrator earlier. That's amazing. That's cool. That technology got picked up. Somebody must have had a very influential talk at one of the conferences and got this all to get smashed in. That's really pretty. I'm gonna try that. First of all, the guy that did it, his name is Rasmus. Rasmus, you might have won me over. I'm so in this mindset of doing the numbers like this. It's kind of weird, right? Like, I've been developing for God forever, and just typing these numbers in just feels better to me than guessing a number, you know? But that's so cool I can do that. Oh, it's a variable font, but you have to select all the style? I'm confused. It's a variable font, but you need to select the styles. Huh? What? Does this make sense to people? Like, what if I want like 8? You gotta be kidding me. This is how it works? This is how it works? What? This is horrible. This is not what we wanted, Google. We did not want a thing where we could go in and say, I want weight of 300. Oh, 300 is not good. Let me make that 327. And then hit select that style, and it plugs this in. That's not what we wanted. Nobody wants this. I'll just take my big fat font package. Thank you very much. Let's see the embed. Let's just, we can add import it. I wonder if I had said I wanted to embed this with this thing, boom. Is it going to embed 320? Oh, it totally does. That's so stupid. This couldn't be any stupider. Guys, I take it all back. You let me down. You know what we should do is we should let's just see. I need to see this real quick. I really need to see this. Let me open up a Ruby terminal. Boom. Okay, that's all our numbers. That's all the possible weights that we could ask Google for. I'm just curious if Google's going to give it to us. Are they just going to be like, yeah, sure. You want a 48 megabyte font file? That's your business. All right, we got our list. Copy that. And let's just see if this works. This is the dumbest thing I'm going to be doing today. I promise. These 9 font weights are far, far too limiting. I would like all of the font weights, please. You promised me a variable font. I would like it all. Save that. Oh, here she goes. Totally fine with it. Didn't even care. Is that for real? Did it just really just go out and grab? Oh, wow. Off she goes. 11,221 requests later. Whoa. Let me do a hard reload on that thing. I mean, it's a little slow. 573 milliseconds. It's a little slow, but you know, once it's cached, right? Once it's cached, it'll be quick. There you go. Just do it one time. That's still pretty slow for a cached call, but you know, it's because there was 11,000 requests in the first go or something. So how stupid is that? But can we now use this as intended? Can we just slap font family? Well, what was this? Enter on this, and off we go to the races. Yep. And let's do a font size of like 80 pixels. Perfect. And let's make the color white. And now we're going to see if we do have access to all those font weights, because that'd be amazing. Font weight. Well, let's just start off at 100, because that's good. But I don't like 100, so I want 105. Oh, geez, I think they're all there. Can I just do this? Can I just scroll it down? Oh, it doesn't want you to. So start at 899. Oh, it's doing it. Look at that. Yeah. You see, I have to start underneath it because the browser wants to step you between solid numbers. These between like multiples of 100. Look at that go. Well, it can be done. We can do it. This is not the way you should do it, but it can be done. If you want variable fonts, apparently they're available for you at the low cost of 11,522 requests to Google. I don't know why there's that many either. Because there's only 900 fonts here. Only 900. That's it. Oh, so stupid.